It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Thursday, the 8th day of December. I'm Michael Groff. Dry conditions, temperatures a bit below normal for the next few days, but a change in the weather pattern is headed our way by late in the weekend and the first half of next week. Even colder temperatures with an increasing chance of rain Sunday night, Monday, and snow levels are going to be coming way down. Just how low will they get? And of course, the usual questions as to where, when, and how much rain there could be. We'll talk about all of it as we dive in and discuss. And yes, of course, thank you to my one and only Michelle for the birthday wishes. Yes, today, the greatest day on the calendar. Oh, yeah. All right, let's get out to it here. The almanac from yesterday, 65 degrees was the afternoon high. The low temperature of 51, that actually occurred in the 11 o'clock hour last night. The normal high is now dropped to 67, the normal low 46. And as we take a look outside right now, here at 8:57 a.m., we've got mostly sunny sky out there. We're sitting at 48 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 41, humidity 76%, the wind from the northwest at 5, the barometer up there at 30.25 inches and steady. The upper air analysis across the nation reveals a weak trough here across the southwest, kind of a broad upper trough. And, you know, normally you might think, well, that could lead to unsettled weather, but no, it's just a dry west and southwesterly flow. We'll have occasional high clouds coming through here, but the only consequence for us is that the upper level heights are below average, which means temperatures will remain below average for a little while. Our next big weather maker, well, it's still way up there over the Gulf of Alaska, but it will be headed our way eventually. Oops, here's the watch warning map. Got to remember, I'm getting so old, I can't remember what damn buttons to press no more. Tell you what. All right, the watch warning map. We've got some issues with dense fog across the nation, the Gulf Coast, the central part of the country, some winter weather advisories there as well. Winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories for the West Coast in anticipation of this big storm that will be developing over the next few days. Convective outlook for today, no organized severe weather to be found, just some thunder along a stalled out surface boundary from Texas through the Tennessee Valley and points to the east from there. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Thursday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, 1/4 to 1/2 inch expected. We could see a bit more up north. And of course, there will be some snowflakes flying as well. And those snow levels could get pretty low here by Monday night. We'll talk about that and everything else right now as we get to the models. Take a look at things. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid 2 o'clock this afternoon. Right, for now, a drier westerly flow around here. And there's our next weather system developing out there over the northeast Pacific. So what it means for us down at the surface today, mostly sunny sky and high temperatures just a little bit below normal, low to mid 60s, but not too bad overall. Tonight, the sky is clear with somewhat drier air in here. We should cool off to the mid 30s perhaps in the coldest valley spots, low to mid 40s for the urban core. And then tomorrow, some clouds around at times, but we should still stay mostly sunny, with high temperatures somewhere in the low to mid 60s. As we hit the weekend, Saturday looks pretty nice. Highs low to mid 60s, the sky's sunny, but look at that trough now. We have a very pronounced jet coming down out of the northeast Pacific and carving out this very impressive trough. And you can see all that rain and mountain snow from central California on northward, the Sierra, the Cascades, into the Great Basin. And that system is headed our way. And by Sunday, it's knocking on the door here. We'll start to see an increase in clouds on Sunday. Could even see an isolated shower in southern Arizona by late Sunday afternoon. A lot of our model guidance is showing a slightly slower movement of this trough. So maybe the day on Sunday does in fact stay dry. Either way, high temperatures, low to mid 60s. By Sunday night and Monday, rain becomes likely around here. And it will turn breezy. And the snow levels, they'll start out around 5,000, 5,500 feet, and they'll come down pretty quickly by late in the day on Monday, down to maybe as low as 3,500 feet. So it's not inconceivable we could see a few flakes of snow, maybe even up on top of the McDowell Mountains here. So, yeah, a very cold system and high temperatures on Monday with a lot of rain around and lots of clouds. Probably only in the lower to maybe middle 50s. We're going with a range of 50 to 55. Monday night. A few showers around, and then that will clear on out of here. And by Tuesday, again, we'll start the day down in the 30s across most of the valley. High temperatures up only into the lower and middle 50s. And a prolonged period of well below average temperatures appears likely here. Look at Wednesday. We'll start the day out. The rural desert locations, those outlying deserts, probably fall into the upper 20s. Here in the Phoenix metro, the cool spots, low 30s, mid to upper 30s for the urban core. Our urban heat island effect should keep temperatures above freezing in some spots. But I'll tell you this, if you have any frost-sensitive vegetation, might want to cover it up or bring those plants indoors if you can. Monday night, but especially Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, and then again, maybe Wednesday night and into next Thursday as well, as we expect several nights of very cold temperatures here. This is a week from today, Thursday, the 15th of December. Very impressive upper low over the nation's midsection. Behind it, we're still left with plenty of cool air, heights below average. So again, highs probably only in the mid-50s once more, although conditions would be dry. Then let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, the 17th, and another system is taking aim on us. And look at that, heights again, way below average. So temperatures will remain probably sub 60 degrees. We could conceivably have high temperatures staying below 60 degrees all next week and perhaps even into the following weekend. So that would be very impressive cold snap for us, and that will continue this pattern we've had since early November of below average temperatures. Very cool weather. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, this is coming off of the European ensemble. Look at that. The ensemble mean is up around 1.25 inches. The control member is way over 2 inches. Now, this runs out through the 22nd of December, and basically every single member has rain in here Sunday night, Monday night time frame. And then some members show additional rainfall out there beyond toward about 9 or 10 days. So yeah, we could be in for a rather active period here. One thing does seem very apparent, and that's temperatures will be below average for quite some time. Look at this. Off the national blend of models, below average at least a little bit for the next few days. And then look at that. High temperatures might drop into the low or maybe middle 50s. Overnight lows down in the 30s. Yeah, cold weather. But I don't think too many people are complaining. All right, that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. And yes, there's our live chat going on. Thank you to everyone for all of your birthday wishes, all of your nice comments. Really do appreciate it. We could not do these videos without all of you guys. So thank you once again. All right. Well, there it is. I'm so old, I don't even remember how to close out the video. I tell you, just getting to be too damn old for this stuff no more. I can't figure out how this dadgum technology works. All right, please be safe out there. Enjoy it. Have yourselves an absolutely beautiful rest of your Thursday.